Hi everyone, and welcome to our third lesson in Unit 14 on company growth. This lesson, lesson 14.3, is all about selling and sales. In this lesson, we're going to explore the intricate dance between selling and buying, understanding both sides of the coin to enhance your business acumen. So our objectives are to identify the stages of the sales process and the buying process, and also describe potential pain points. So first, let's start with the art of selling. This is a step-by-step guide. Every sale follows a process, regardless of the product or the service. This sales process involves identifying leads, presenting offerings, addressing concerns, and then finally closing the deal. So let's look at these steps. First is prospecting. This is finding your potential customers who need your solution. Qualifying, assessing if their needs align with your offerings. Discovery questions, uncovering their pain points and desired outcomes. Presentation, this is showcasing your solution and its benefits. Overcoming objections, this is where you address concerns and doubts with confidence. Closing, this is simply securing the purchase and closing the deal. But it doesn't end there. You have to have relationship maintenance. This is nurturing the connection for future opportunities. You also can have the opportunity to upsell or cross-sell, suggesting complementary products or services. And finally, getting referrals. This is where you're inspiring your satisfied customers to recommend you. Now, addressing concerns, the power of customer objections. Now, customer objections are concerns or doubts that are raised during the sales process. Now, there is a method, the LARC method. This is a framework for handling objections effectively. And so here it is. Listen, attentively hear the objection without interrupting. Acknowledge, validate their concerns and show your understanding. Respond, address the objection directly with clear information and benefits. And finally, confirm, seek agreement and ensure that their concerns are resolved. Okay, let's talk about understanding pain points. These are keys to successful sales. Now, pain points are the underlying problems driving consumers to seek solutions. By understanding and addressing the diverse pain points, you can tailor your solution and offer real value, leading to successful sales and satisfied customers. So some examples of common pain points include price. Is the solution affordable and within the budget? Inconvenience. Will it create additional hassle or complexity? Lack of features. Does the solution lack essential features that they need? Poor quality. Are there concerns about durability, performance, and reliability? Time constraints. Does it take too much time to set it up, use, or learn? Trust issues. Do they have doubts about the brand, the reputation, or security? Perceived risks. Do they think it might not work as promised or could lead to unexpected costs? And data security. Are there worries about personal data privacy and protection? So putting it all together, your sales journey begins. By understanding both the sales and the buying process, you can navigate the journey effectively. Listen attentively, address concerns confidently, and offer solutions that truly solve customer pain points. Use this knowledge to build connections, create value, and embark on your successful sales journey. Remember, it is all about helping others solve problems and find solutions that benefit everyone. All right, so that is our third lesson in our company growth unit, lesson 4.23 on selling and sales. Our objectives were to identify the stages of the sales process and the buying process and describe potential pain points.